We are back with Youva Originals. Today we are creating dancing ladybug wonders. Here's what you'll need. Take a Youva black craft sheet. Draw stems using a pencil. Outline the stems with a white poster color. Dip your index finger in a dark yellow color. Make a cone on the stems. Repeat the process using a light yellow color. Use white color to refine the cone. Sprinkle some white paint across the background. Take black and red sheets. Draw 3 small circles on the black sheet. Fold the red sheet and draw 6 semicircles on it. Cut out all the circles from both sheets. Paste the black circles as the base. Layer the folded red semicircles on top. Repeat the process to make the other 2 ladybugs. Attach googly eyes to complete the ladybug's face. Use a black sketch pen to draw dots on the wings. Your dancing ladybug wonders is ready. Join us again next Saturday for another easy Youva Originals tutorial.